Hello my lovely YouTube fans, I'm back and I'm here with, well, what I would call my newest flatmate. It's baby Hermione and she's the reason why I've been away for such a long time. So welcome back to my channel, welcome back to awesome recipes, and say hello to lovely baby Hermione. She has been keeping me extremely busy for the last 8 months and I'm super excited I can finally come back and bring you incredible recipe videos. So make sure to tune in every week where I'll be showing you some delicious content, amazing recipes, and I've added something new, some incredible tips and tricks for your Thermomix that you probably haven't seen before. So I'm really excited, and make sure you are ready to eat a lot of food. Little baby Hermione has been starting to eat proper food as well now, so we've been weaning for a while. She's an absolute angel, she's amazing, and I have been experimenting with lots of weaning recipes as well as other stuff that has kept me busy as a mum, so you'll be seeing a lot of that content coming up your way. So make sure to hit that bell button wherever you can find it, wherever it is in the screen, and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so yet, because you will find some delicious recipes that are super easy to make. And of course we're going to keep you busy with this lovely little girl, and sometimes I'll bring her in just to say hi because she is part of our family and part of Sophia's Kitchen now. So welcome this lovely new girl to the edition of Sophia's Kitchen, and welcome back. Yay!